What is up, mis amigos? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to make some more progress on the engine bay and hopefully get it prepped for paint, so that way next time we come back we'll be able to paint the engine bay. I'm trying to remove this cowl vent here, and I got to take off the wiper blade. It's pretty simple. So you see this piece right here actually pushes in like that. It should be closed. You just get like a flathead, or I'm using a Phillips, just bring this up like that, pull your wiper blade down, and then you just pull up, it comes right off. All right, so the cowl vent should be ready to be removed. I guess over the years there was quite a bit of dirt that accumulated in these holes where the Phillips screws are, and it was very hard to get the Phillips screwdriver in there. So what I did was I got some degreaser in the bottle, just sprayed it in there. Probably water would have worked too, but that helped to, I guess, agitate all the accumulated dirt on there. Now the cowl vent should be ready to be removed. But there it goes. Nice and simple. What do we got? We got a wire hanging? Yeah, we got some wires. Not wires, but hose. All right, so I'm trying to get this motor off here for the windshield wipers. Looks like there's one nut in the back that holds it. I'm gonna try to remove that, see if I can get it off with just that. Right here actually depends, or that right there is a mechanism that moves the wiper arms. I went ahead and just loosened up these 4 nuts here that you can see that are attached to this piece right here. Loosen those up and they can pretty much just come right off. I'll try to show you with this one. So you see that one is like that. The other one goes in between here, but just to show you, they just kind of slide off like that. Now I should be able to remove the wiper motor just like that. Check this out, man. This is some ghetto, again, some more redneck engineering type stuff going on here. I don't know what happened here with this antenna.
Thanks, Mike.
Right? I don't even know if that's the original antenna or whatever, but
I don't know, man.
it looks like it was shoved in there. Had to take a hammer and a flathead screwdriver to break that loose. But it's coming out. That's gonna need some major repair work right there.
I think he hammered it down. I guess when he got loose, he just said,
yeah, we're probably not gonna put that back. It's all, you know, it's 2019. Working off of Bluetooth now, you know what I'm saying? We don't need that antenna no more. All right, so I got most of the stuff off. I'm gonna see about masking off some of the sensors and masking off a lot of the wires as best as I can, and that way I can start spraying some engine degreaser all around. That way we can start washing off the engine bay. Right now what I'm gonna try to do is start off on one half of the engine bay and then move off to the other half, because I don't know if you can see here, but I have a lot of the wires in a plastic bag to try to keep as much water off of them as I can. So I'm gonna clean off one side and then move the bag over to the other side with the wires and then clean the other side. So anyways, this is the engine bay right here. We got a lot of grease that was built up. We got quite a bit of it off, but we still got a lot more to go. You can see in here, there's a lot more grease just kind of chilling, hanging out. We got to get some more stuff to clean all that, but we're gonna get some sandpaper. That way we can start sanding down the panels and everything. Get a nice surface for the primer to adhere to. We'll clean up in there as well. But right now we're gonna go to Harbor Freight, get ourselves some more tools to work with, get ourselves some sandpaper and maybe some more scrubbers, some metal scrubbers. That way we can get some of the grease off, and just find anything else that we're gonna need, because we're gonna try to get this engine primed today. All right, guys, so we made it back from Harbor Freight. We've been kind of slaving away here, sanding down some of the body panels in the engine bay, the fender over here, and he's also still cleaning the grease off the chassis. It's quite a bit, so we're slowly working our way at it, and we're gonna try to get primer going in a little bit. All right, guys, so we pretty much are finished cleaning up the engine bay. We sanded it down and we got some of the stuff masked off. We also cleaned a lot of the chassis and around the engine bay, and we wiped it down, so it should be ready to be primed up. That's what we're gonna do right now, so let's get to it. All right, so I'm just gonna show you all real quick what we've been using. We bought this degreaser right here from Harbor Freight. It's concentrated stuff. It's been working pretty good. We also went out and bought some 120 grit sandpaper and some 80 grit sandpaper. I don't know where the package for the 80 grit went, but that's from Harbor Freight too. We used that. What else? What else did we use?
The brushes.
Yeah, the brushes. We got some brushes to clean off the grease. That really helped out a lot. Some metal brushes. We also wiped the engine bay down with some mineral spirits. And then we're also going to use this Rust-Oleum sandable primer to prime up the engine bay. And we also got our to cover our windshield. Tortilla chips box.
Yep.
Sponsor us. But other than that, we're gonna go ahead and get to it. We're gonna prime the fenders over here first and the engine bay. Go ham. Look at this fool fucking chilling and spraying. Let me see that smooth movement. So yeah, right now we're not really too concerned with any overspray on the body. That's because we're gonna obviously sand that down later and paint it. But we're trying to get this engine bay ready to go. That way once we get the engine back and the transmission, we can just load it up in there and hopefully get all the sensors back on in one piece and get it started. All right guys, so we're about to call it a day. So far we got at least one coat of primer on the engine bay. We're gonna probably put another coat on there. We're kind of digging the black look for the engine bay. We were thinking about going with the same color. We're gonna paint the whole body, but I don't know. We might just keep it black, but we'll probably try to put another coat of primer on there, finish it off, and then also get some color in the process. But that's it for today. We're gonna continue this tomorrow. Now, all right guys, so it's been a few days since we last worked on the truck. We didn't record much today because we were trying to get the engine masked off because we're trying to get the engine still prepped. But I'm gonna show you guys what we did today, so let's check it out. All right, so this is what we did. We kind of just masked everything off with aluminum foil and some masking tape. And we got the brake booster over there, the power steering shaft, a couple other wires here and there masked off. We cleaned off the first coat of primer that we put. We're gonna put one more right now. We kind of just washed it off and we're waiting for it to dry off to put the next coat. Probably gonna wait for a little bit, obviously, to let the water dry to put the second coat. He'll put the second coat and then we'll come back, I guess, I don't know, maybe tomorrow or Thursday and work on it some more. And hopefully by then it'll be fully prepped and ready for paint. What's going on guys? We're back at it again. What is this, day number 3? Number 4? Man, I lost count already, man. We've been prepping this engine bay. Story of our life. Nah, I'm just playing. Anyways, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna sand the primer. He went ahead and put another coat on it yesterday, and we're gonna sand it down and get this ready for the next step, which is gonna be painting it. So we're gonna go get our paint probably tomorrow, and we also got word back from our engine that it's ready to go, so we're also gonna pick that up too. But today we're gonna get this engine bay all finished up and ready for paint.
Perfect.
Truck out here, we finished sanding it down. We're gonna take some water to it, get all that primer dust, whatever you want to call it, off the engine bay. Get it all cleaned up and let it. What's up? What's up, dog? You got something to say? Don't sweat.
Hey, we fucking strapped it on right here, homie.
Hell, damn! Fuck no, dude. You see this guy? You see me?
I got some gloves right
Hey, put your money right now. If we got in a fight, who would win?
I got some gloves inside.
Damn! This fool says they've been up there for 10 years, dog. I've been waiting to pull them down. Here we go. Yep. Taking a little bit of water to it. So we're pretty much ready for paint now. So right now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna wet it off and let it dry overnight. That way tomorrow should be ready to go. Then we'll pick up some paint, and we'll probably also pick up our engine parts and everything, get it back here, take a look at everything. And then maybe tomorrow, I don't know, what do you think? You think we paint tomorrow, or?
Yeah, we'll paint tomorrow. What's
So,
tomorrow?
tomorrow's Thursday.
Yeah, I think we'll be good.
So we'll probably put some paint on it, get it ready.
Yep.
But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. That's gonna be it. This video has taken what, like three separate days, maybe 4.
Yeah.
4 times working on it, but we got it done and we're moving along. So
Sanding sucks.
sanding sucks, man. I've never done this before, and let me just say, it's not fun. But you know what? It's gonna be worth it in the end. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that like button. Also, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the truck, because man, we got a lot more content coming. We got some other stuff that we got to fix as well. But like always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.